Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful attachment in my cat let me, and that's the daisy square. You can find the link below. I show this and you can watch it in my YouTube channel. Sorry for this. You can watch the square in my YouTube channel, and now I will show you how to make this joining. If you are ready, please subscribe and let's start. I will use 3.5mm hook and sports yarn, and I will use a scrap yarn. So sorry for the way it look. First, I will make a slip knot. Start from the 3 chain space, slip stitch, chain 3, skip 1 and make a single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, skip 1 and make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, chain 3, skip 1 and make a single crochet. As you see, you can use this for your granny squares. And when you came to corner, we make 1 single crochet and chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same place. Chain 3, skip just 1 and make a single crochet. We will go like that and finish this row. If you are making the first one, you must come here and chain 3 again and slip stitch into that first slip stitch. That's the first one. I'll join first 2 together, and now I will show you how to make it. If you are joining the first 2, just use that 3 chain holes, but I'm making the third one, then single crochet 1, chain 1, and I will use the opposite crossway 3 chain hole. Just take this, grab the yarn, make a chain and make a chain again, single crochet into the 3 chain hole, chain 1, take that part, take a yarn and pull it through and chain 1, skip that and make a single crochet, chain 1 and make a single crochet. You can use another method for to make this. Just chain 2, leave the yarn like that, and take the yarn, chain 1, skip that, and make a single crochet. Chain 2, take the yarn, chain 1, and make a single crochet. You can use one of these methods to make this same attachment, but I like the first one, so I will keep doing like this. Just chain 1, and I'm into the 3 chain hole. For the last one, chain 1, and no, slip stitch into that first slip stitch, and that's the way. Now we will make the fourth one. I'll make the fourth one 2 side, and then join the third side, and now I will join the corner. Just chain 1, and that's the opposite side. And just chain 1 and make a single crochet again, chain 1, and start from here, and join them together like that. I came here and I will join the last part, and it's finished. As you see, it's so lovely and beautiful. I like it very much. You can use it anywhere you want, and I will make an edging for this baby blanket. I could say baby blanket now. And if you subscribe, don't miss anything from my channel. I hope you like it. My Instagram address is Sirins Crochet. You can write me anytime you want, and I'll wait for your comments, of course. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.